Hello my friends, welcome to today's video. I'm Jeanette with Vivo Vintage Designs. Today I am going to attempt to use these liquid pearl paints that I've seen so much. They're dimensional pearlescent paint. So I bought a set and these are the colors that come in the set that I purchased. The colors are Taffy, Marigold, Sage, Bronze, Slate, and Merlot. So I want to try and use these for the very first time. I haven't even opened the bottles yet, to create the center of a flower. So no idea what I'm doing. That's why I'm just using a piece of scrap photo paper here. So let's get started and see what I can come up with. I'm going to put down my pitch black for the center. And I'm going to use a dirty micro brush. Nope, that's a clean one. I'm going to use that one later, maybe. So I'm just going to make that about that size. I think that's a good start. I'm going to dry it. And then I'm going to use a strange combination of colors that I've never used before. This particular combination. I'm going to use the color Pebble and the color Crimson. Let's see what happens. So I'm going to put down a few dots of the Pebble. Individually, I like these colors. Together, I have no idea what I'll get. And dry that. I know it looks like a mess. I'm actually on my lunch break. I work from home and I'm on my lunch break and got the idea to finally give these a try because I got them earlier, but I haven't had the chance to play with them. So I figured, okay, let me do it during my lunch break. So I'm just adding some crimson around. I'm letting it all mix together. Again, no idea what I'll end up with, but that's what's fun about this. I'm going to make sure that I dry it completely. Let's find some alcohol. Okay, so the PSI in my compressor is set at 40. And I'm going to use a large amount of alcohol because I want big petals. I don't have a lot of time, so let's see what we get here. My first petal always looks so wonky. I don't know why that is. It's an interesting color combination. I know it looks like a mess so far. Let's see. Okay, I lost a lot of the color here in the center, so I'm just going to put a little bit of alcohol on my micro brush. I'm going to move it around a little bit. Then I'm going to soften it up a little bit towards this end just by tapping it with my finger. And okay, let's dry that completely. And judging by the colors that I used here, I think I may go with, I don't really like that. This is going to be too dark. Maybe I'll use a combination of both. So I'm going to, I have a little palette here. I'm going to put a few drops. This is really thick. I have no idea how to use this. Well, this will be interesting. And I'm going to mix a little bit of the purple in there to kind of lighten it up a little. I don't know. Now I'm going to use this micro brush that I used earlier. I'm going to take the little cotton part off of it, and I'm going to mix these colors together. See what happens. I'm going to put a few drops down. That was a little bit much there. And while I have no idea what I'm doing right now, you know that I will play with this and I will learn what to do with it. I will teach myself. Okay, I'm going to clean that off, and I'm going to try and drag some of this down. I think I could have made these a little bit bigger. Clean it off again. And then I'm just going to run it through the dots that I created. I think I need a little bit lighter color. Let's try this one. This is the bronze color. And I may even try some of the slate. Let's put some of the slate in there too. Oops. They had lots of different packages and sets rather, and they had a really light one, but I think sometimes the white is too stark. I thought the white would be just too stark. So I'll put down a dot, I'm going to clean it off, and I'm going to pull it down. I think you're better off cleaning the brush before you pull down. I know it's a little wasteful, but I just want the lines to be thin. I don't want them to be too thick. Maybe two separate micro brush sticks would work best. All right, I'm kind of liking this. All right, let's pick up some of the darker color. I don't know if this is going to show, but it's worth a try. All right, I'm kind of liking this. I didn't know what to expect, but this is really pretty. And now I'm just going to add a few dots in between, and I'll use the different colors. Just to place them in between. I'm trying to make them smaller. I really like this bronze color. And the slate colors, they're really all pretty. Well, this is a really interesting way to create a center. I like it a lot. I'm going to add a couple more. So you can see I'm just putting down a dot, and then it works best so far to clean off the brush and run it through. All right, I think my lunch break may just be over, so I'm going to finish this up. And of course, I could crop this, but it's a really interesting way to create a center. I'm going to play with these some more, but I wanted to share my first experience with you. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any helpful hints on how to use the liquid pearl dimensional pearlescent paint, let me know in the comments. I'd love to try something new if you have any ideas. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Let me bring this a little bit closer to you so that you can see what it looks like. I love the way it looks. All right, let me get back to work. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.